Hey guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Leadblasta, a growth hacking tool that will improve your marketing today. So Leadblasta is a web app created as a high converting lead magnet for a Chrome extension. So you will use Leadblasta to create lead magnets as Chrome extensions, and they also have inbuilt follow-up marketing tools. Yes, it's what you heard. You can have your Chrome extension today with Lead Blaster to get new emails and start to shine creating content as a Chrome extension. The deal is really generous. If you buy one code, you're gonna get 10 Chrome extensions and all the features on the plan. So you get the Chrome extension builder that's really easy to do. I'm gonna show you. You can build your email, push an SMS list on autopilot, create a leading magnet with no limit. I'm gonna show you how the tool works and then you can understand better. Also, I'm gonna show you one example of of the Chrome extension that you can build using Leadblasta. That's another deal that they are on the marketplace, but they could be used as a primary deal on the AppSumo first page. It's really easy to understand how the deal works here. You can change your basic info, nothing new. And you have the dashboard. You can see an empty dashboard here. And you have the app sessions, and you can see as well the SMS session with the email marketing tools and the SMS tools. And I'm going to show you how it works. It's really simple. The first thing you're going to do is to create an app inside the tool. So to create an app, you just click here, create a new app, and I'm going to select your package, okay, with the Chrome extensions that you have. So remember, with the AppSumo Gel, you get one code, and then you're going to have 10 Chrome extensions that you can create using Leadblasta. So I just created a test here, and I'm gonna click here on edit app, and I'm gonna see how you're gonna create an app and how easy it is. So you're gonna create here title, description, you're gonna show your website, your CTA, your click to action. So they're gonna show a click to action, so a button, and then people can click and go to another website. And then you can select if you're gonna allow app notification, email subscription in app, etc. And how this will be, how this gonna work. Here it's an example of a Chrome extension created using Leadblast. The first thing that you're gonna do, you're not seeing that because I already did, but it will appear here like on the dashboard. The first time that you open a Chrome extension, it will appear a place that you can fill with your name and email, and then you're gonna send the email to Lead Blaster, and you, as the Chrome extension owner, will receive that email. So this will generate leads for you. We're gonna have another email for a newsletter, etc. to pitch your product. That's why here you can see email subscription in app enabled, because with that a person can send their email to you, and they need to do that to have access to the extension. So you will create those checklists. Inside the extension, you can add a video and a checklist. You can see they have a progress bar here. Here's the CTA that you can add. Can you see here the black button? So clicking here, you're gonna see a lot of tips for SEO on YouTube. You can create it using any topic. So content marketing checklist. And then you're gonna add your content here. This is a lead magnet on the Chrome store that you can create using Leadblasta. Okay? So, and how you're gonna do this? You create the Chrome extension using that field here. So you can check the CTAs. Here you can select the theme. So default theme, dark theme, brown light. So you can select with the color that would fit better to your brand. Deep purple, deep orange, deep purple. This one is really cool. And here's the app icon. You're gonna change the app icon to your brand icon. So you're gonna completely white label it. You can create categories, for instance, law or marketing. You will add the social links. If I click here, you're gonna see their Twitter here. It's where you're gonna add automatically the social links. Videos and image. You're gonna do that in that way. Really simple, really easy to create a new Chrome extension. And you will publish on a click on a button. You're gonna publish API and download it. So here you can preview, but first you need to add your categories. So let's check here. So the categories are the checklists, I think. Let's see. I'm gonna add here marketing. So, and I'm gonna add an item. So first item, small phone. So here, um, you're creating your checklist. So checklist two. You can even add bullet points. Yay. Add one more. B. Yeah. And here you are creating, you can add image, you can add video, edit the category, move up, move down. As you can see here, it's what you're doing now. Here's a category. It's what you're doing with the name. So checklist 2 and the bullet points, example 1, blah, 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 blah. So it's really easy to create the Chrome extension. You only need to write here on the categories and it's done. Okay, and then you publish on a click on a button and you have your Chrome extension. And they have also, you can broadcast to them using Twilio with the phone numbers you get from the Chrome extension, or you can also with the email that you get. This is optional, but you can connect SendFox, Mailer, Lily, BirdSend, Mailchimp, those sending servers to send emails to your new leads using Leadblasta. Okay, for that with their email marketing tools. Okay, so as you can see, it's pretty simple to use. You're gonna create a new app on as a Chrome extension, just adding here your content, just writing your content as you are creating a blog post, as you're going to create a checklist. Here in the categories, you just create a category and add bullet points, and then you have a whole new Chrome extension, and you will use those Chrome extensions to get new emails to your brand. This deal is really cool. I can't wait to start to create content using Leadblasta. I do recommend it. It's another good deal on the marketplace on AppSumo, and we are on Black Friday, so you can just I'm gonna add a button here, and you can click here to get 10% discount on AppSumo to buy Leadblasta. Thank you so much. Bye bye.